You have nothing but your phone. You don't have a skill, you don't have a business, you don't have a job. Can you still make up to 1 million naira from that your phone? This is an interesting question, and let me give you the simple answer. The simple answer is yes. You can absolutely make your first 1 million naira using your smartphone. That same phone you are using to watch TikTok videos, comment on Facebook, send WhatsApp messages can still become your source of income. This is 2026. Making money online has never been easier and better. There are many things you can do to make money online, and most of them can help you make your first 1 million naira. Whether you are in Ghana, Nigeria, USA, South Africa, or any country at all, this is something that can be done by anyone. And your age also doesn't matter. Even if you are just a teenager or a stay-at-home parent or just a regular person, this strategy can help you make money online, and it doesn't matter if you have experience or not. First of all, this video is not a financial advice. It is just a tutorial showing you how other people like you are making money online. So without wasting your time, let's begin. But first, you are welcome to JJ Ends. My name is Jonathan and I am a student of Uniport in Nigeria. On this channel, I basically teach people how I make money online through various ways, like online surveys, earning websites, online businesses, and I also share useful tips that will help make your life easier and more productive. So if you are interested in this type of videos, simply subscribe to my channel and like this video before we proceed. There are three ways you can make your first 1 million naira online from your smartphone. The first one is by selling a product. It can be a physical product or digital product. Then the second one is by offering services online and charging for it. For example, if you know how to edit videos, you can charge people to edit their videos for them. And you know, these days many people are creating videos online on platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. You can basically charge those people to create their videos for them. The third one is by becoming a creator. That is, you create content online and get paid for it. And this is the one we will focus on because it is the easiest in my opinion. And now that AI is trending, it has become even easier to create content online. You don't have to show your face or even use your voice. You can use AI to generate videos, speech, and even music. If you go on TikTok right now and just start scrolling, you will come across all types of videos that are created using AI. Even on YouTube, we see AI stories, AI podcasts, and so on. These are the trending videos right now. They easily go viral and pack millions of views. And guess how much these creators are making for uploading these videos? On YouTube alone, if your videos get up to 1 million views, you can earn anywhere from $500 to $1,500. $1,500 is currently about 2 million naira. And on TikTok, if your videos get up to 1 million views, you can earn anywhere from $300 to $600. $600 is about 780,000 naira currently. And when I say 1 million views, it doesn't mean on only one video. Let's say you upload 20 videos and each of them gets 50,000 views, which is very possible because AI videos easily get views. That means you have reached 1 million views and you can easily get your $600 earnings. And these creators are making these videos using only AI tools. All you need to get started is to learn how to use AI to generate these videos. You can use free AI tools to create these AI videos. Let me show you one of my videos that I created using free AI tool.
I am sorry, Loretta, but you can't have children.
Don't worry, my wife. Everything is going to be okay.
Oh God, why?
Come on, let's go home. You need to rest.
Your mother keeps telling me to provide a child for you. Now I think she will tell you to divorce me.
You are my wife, and I'm not leaving you. Don't worry, God will come through.
Honey, look, that is a pregnant mad woman and it looks like she is going through labor.
Yes, let's help her, quickly. Come, let us take you to the hospital.
Hospital?
You are going to have a baby. Come, let's take you to the hospital.
That video was created using only free AI tools. I didn't pay a dime to create that video, and I used only my smartphone for the whole thing. I uploaded that video on TikTok and got 6,000 views in just 5 hours. Look at this TikTok page. Can you see the type of views they are getting? Also look at this YouTube channel. You can see how many views they are getting. Now imagine if I create 20 more videos like this. That means I can easily reach hundreds of thousands of views. So what I am saying here is to just show you the reality of AI content creation in 2026. This is by far the fastest way to make money online, and to me, I think it is even the easiest. Now, I know that you will say, okay, but I don't know how to create AI videos. Don't worry, if you are truly interested in learning how to use free AI tools to create videos like this, I have created a full PDF guide. In that guide, you will see all the free AI tools people are using to create videos for free, and also how to use them to start creating AI videos using just your smartphone. You can be creating this kind of videos after going through the guide. All you need to do is check the description for a link to the PDF guide. Plus, I have created a WhatsApp group where you can join. In that WhatsApp group, you will meet other AI video creators and share ideas together. You will see how people are monetizing their TikTok pages, Facebook pages, and YouTube channels using AI videos. The reason why I created that group is because I know that you will perform better if you see your peers doing great. It will challenge you to do more and become better. After getting the PDF guide, inside this you will see a link to join the WhatsApp group. Here is the best part. Many people are currently interested in learning this skill. So after you learn this skill, you can also teach others and they will gladly pay you to learn from you. Now here is a simple guide on how to use this skill to make your first 1 million naira using nothing but your smartphone. The first method is this. Immediately after learning how to use free AI tools to create AI videos, create your Facebook page, TikTok page, and YouTube channel, then start creating these videos and upload them every day. On TikTok, if you get 100,000 views and 10,000 followers, you will monetize your page and start earning. I have seen people who start their TikTok pages and monetize within 30 days. Some people even monetize in a few weeks. Because like I said, getting views with AI videos is very easy. If you create one video, you can upload that same video on all your accounts, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube, which means you are aiming at monetizing 3 different pages. And on YouTube, if you are uploading short form videos, you need to have 10 million views and 1,000 subscribers. Don't let the 10 million views scare you. I've seen people monetize their YouTube with short videos in less than a month. And on Facebook, you need 10,000 followers and 150,000 views. AI videos perform really well on all these platforms. Sometimes the same video will get 10,000 views on TikTok, 300,000 views on YouTube, and over 1 million views on Facebook. That is why it is better to post on all 3 of them. The second method you can make your first 1 million naira using this skill is by teaching others. After you learn, you can start creating the videos and uploading them. Then you will be telling the viewers that they can learn from you. You can charge them any amount you think is right. For example, if you charge them 10,000 naira per person, you only need 100 people to make your first 1 million naira. Like I said, many people are interested in learning this skill, so getting your first customers is not difficult. So if you are ready to start creating AI videos that go viral on social media, go to the description and get my PDF full guide. If you got value from this video, simply like it. And if you have any questions regarding this update, leave them in the comment section below. I will be glad to see your comments and help you out with any questions you have regarding this video. And remember, on this channel I teach my viewers how to make money online through surveys, earning websites, online businesses, and I also share tips that will help make your life easier and more productive. So before you go, hit subscribe, like this video and share it to help someone learn something new today. Thanks for watching.